Hi there! Today I'm about to show you how I turned $3,400 in ads into over $50,000 in sales in just 2 weeks. This isn't some complicated ad funnel or viral TikTok trick, it's real strategy built with real tools, and it worked. I had $4,000 free, and instead of letting it sit around, I gave myself a challenge. Start a brand new store and see how far I can take it using just Sellvia Ads. I started small, just $10 a day, and increased the budget only when I saw results. And yes, by the end, the return on ad spend was high enough that I confidently doubled and then tripled my investment. So how did it work? Let me show you everything from how Sellvia Ads works to how I scaled it step by step and how it gave me the simplest way to advertise across all the top platforms at once. If you ever tried running ads on your own, you know the struggle. Here's what the most people face. Facebook Ads Manager, endless setting, confusing metrics. Instagram, constant tweaking and targeting shifts. TikTok ads, creative heavy and picky approval system. Google Shopping, keywords building and product feeds. Amazon, sponsored products requires optimization know-how. It's a lot, and for most beginners, it feels like guesswork. One wrong setting and your money's gone. That's why I use Sellvia Ads, because it does all of that automatically. Now, let's look inside. When you log into Sellvia Ads dashboard, here's what you see. A clean, simple layout, one-click setup, all your ad performance start in one place. And the coolest part? Sellvia runs your campaigns across all the top platforms at once. Amazon, top search result placement is sponsored products. Instagram, in-feed posts targeting active shoppers. Google Shopping, product listings shown to people ready to buy. TikTok, viral style ads placed in high engagement feeds. Facebook, in-feed ads targeting shoppers with high purchase intent. You don't need to create 5 separate accounts or spend hours learning each one. Just set your daily budget and Sellvia does the rest. So how did I approach it? Simple. I started with $10 a day. After seeing return on ad spend of 2.1, I earned double. Increased to $20 a day, then $50 a day, then $100 a day once I had consistent profits. By the end of 2 weeks, I had invested $3,400 and brought in $50,000 in sales. That's a solid return, and the best part? I didn't stress over campaign setup. Sellvia handled everything. If you want more control, Sellvia Ads also gives you access to powerful ad boosters right inside the dashboard. Here are 3 simple ones I recommend. Accelerated Ads Delivery. Get faster results by showing your ads more often. Great if you want quicker traction. Remarketing. Re-engage people who clicked but didn't buy. Don't let those warm leads slip away. Audience settings. Already know your perfect customer? Use custom targeting to make every dollar count. All of these are easily to activate, no experience needed. Look, I'm not a full-time media buyer. I don't have a big team or marketing agency behind me. But with Sellvia Ads, I didn't need one. I just needed a clean store, great product, and a system that works. Everything was inside my dashboard. One place, one click, all platforms. If you've been wondering how to advertise your products without the stress, this is the easiest way I found. Try it for yourself. Start small, watch the numbers, and when it clicks, scale fast and don't look back. Because $3,400 turned into $50,000 for me. And if I can do it with just one tool, imagine what you could do. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to turn on notification. I've got more real strategies coming your way soon.